Welcome to Southern Comfort Ranch in beautiful Mars Hill, North Carolina, just minutes from Asheville. Live, work, and play in this spectacular horse ranch. There is a 17-stall barn with a house already built on top, 17 gorgeous acres where you can build your dream home. Also, the views are amazing. Come on, let's go take a ride. You got to check out this 17-stall barn for yourself. It is amazing. You'll love this indoor and outdoor riding arena where you can train year-round. Thanks for taking a ride with me through Southern Comfort Ranch. Call me today for your personal tour.